Hey guys, it's Rachelle here. So today we're going to talk about why branding your business is so important, and I'm going to show you how to create your own brand kit. Let's get started. Even if digital designs is just a hobby to make some extra money, you want to treat your hobby like a business from the start. So branding is important even for the hobbyist out there. Why is branding so important? Well, although the colors, fonts, and logos you choose helps brand your business, branding is a lot more than just that. Branding helps you stand out from the competition. It leaves a positive impression for your customers, letting them know exactly what your business has to offer. So there's a lot that goes into branding, but we're going to talk about these 7 things. Your brand is going to have personality and character. We're going to talk about trust, identity, vision, reputation, being positive, credibility, and values. Your brand's reputation is the public's perception of you. If your customer left with a good experience or a bad experience, it can really alter your reputation. We can build our reputation by working on our SEO. The higher we rank in the search engine results, the more chances we have to build a positive reputation. We need to make sure we have great customer service. We offer quality products, we respond to messages and comments, and being generous. Let's talk about positivity. When we're positive, our customers are most likely going to have a positive experience. The customers will feed off your energy. So stay positive at all times and stay away from drama. If you have a negative customer, don't post it on social media. Your business is a privilege, so never forget that. And if you lack in people skills, work on developing them. Is your customer always right? Heck no, they're not always right, but we're not going to risk getting a negative review. So we're going to make sure they leave happy. Credibility. You want your customers to believe that you're an expert in your field and you're trustworthy. So how will we build our credibility? You're going to ask for reviews. Don't beg, but just put it in a thank you card and ask for a review. It's that simple. And you're going to give refunds even if you don't give refunds. My policies state that I don't give any refunds. However, if a customer's not happy, I'm going to give them a refund. Share your milestones on your social media. If you just sold 10,000 products, share it with your customers so that future customers can see that you know what you're doing. If a customer finds a mistake in a design, fix it and give them a new file. Always continue to learn and grow and build your business. Values. What beliefs does your company stand for? Have high standards for your business and your customers will really appreciate it. Don't put any low quality products out there. You want to also be unique. Offer things that other people aren't offering. You want to treat each customer with kindness and you want to make sure you're being transparent. If you don't know how to do something, say you don't know how to do it, or make sure they know exactly what's in their listing. And you want to be consistent with all of your designs. You can easily build trust with a customer and make them a returning customer if you offer a reliable product. If you're honest and upfront, you're consistent, you're accessible if they have any questions or problems, and if you exceed their expectations by going above and beyond. Now that we talked about all that boring stuff, let's talk about your brand's identity. This is where your brand's personality shines. You're going to have a tone of voice for your brand. So are you going to be serious and straight-laced? Or are you going to be fun and silly? You'll use this voice throughout your shop's listings and also whenever you type up social media posts. For your branding, you're also going to want to create a color palette of 4 to 8 colors that you can use. You're going to want 2 to 3 different fonts, a logo and sub-logo, and you're going to want to create a brand kit. What is your brand's vision? What does the future look like in 5 to 10 years? You want your brand's vision to be inspirational, help solve a problem, it's reaching towards a goal, and you want it to sound confident. My vision for this YouTube channel is to help others build passive wealth through digital creations and creativity. Remember, brands make and keep promises. Strong brands equals repeat customers, and it's easier to upsell to those customers. Strong brands creates customer loyalty, increasing the value of your business. Now let's head over to PicMonkey.com and start creating your brand kit. Okay, so we're going to create a new image, 8.5 by 11. And I did go ahead and add my brand colors just so it was easy for me. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we need 6 to 8 different kind of colors we want to use, and you can go over here to the graphics and set it up however you want. If you want just basic circles or triangles, I'm gonna do some paint strokes. So I mean, it doesn't really matter which ones, so I'm just gonna pick 6 different ones, and then I'm gonna select them all and then kind of line them up over here. Okay, and you can line them up however you want. They don't have to be in the same layout. This is your brand kit, so do it however you want. I'm gonna go ahead and select them all. And I'm gonna find 2 or 3 fonts that I like. So I want this bitter, and then I like this blackjack. And what I'm gonna do, I'm going to write the name of the font so I never forget it. So there's bitter. Let's do lowercase. And blackjack. And then I can size this out however I need to fit my page. So for me to be able to overlap it, I am gonna come over here to the outline, and I'm gonna outline it in white. So I'm gonna put the blackjack right in here, just so I know those are my 2 fonts for my business. And then now I'm going to come up here and put my name, my brand name, Rachelle Kennedy. And then I'm going to get this bitter font, duplicate this, make it tiny, and then I'm going to put brand kit right here. And I did this one in capital so I could see the difference from it being capital and lowercase. But then I have the 3 options that I can use from. Let's get these out of the way for now. Center this on my page. Okay, so now you need inspiration for your colors. What you're gonna do is come over here to the graphics. You can also do this on Google and upload your inspiration from Google. However, I'm gonna come over to the photos, and maybe I want like boho, and I'm gonna search through the boho stuff. Like the flowers, I can pick any images that I want. All right, so I like these flowers better, so I'm gonna delete this one, and I'm gonna remove the background for this. Then I'm gonna do the eraser and erase her, eraser, erase her. And then I'm gonna erase her hand out of it. Then I can use these flowers as inspiration. And the same with this, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the background. Now I'm thinking of like packaging, some twine. I like this one. Let's see what else I can find. And I like this one. Okay, I like this one right here. So what I'm gonna do is crop this image. I'm gonna delete this one back here, and I'm gonna remove the background. Now I'm gonna look for some logo inspiration. So I want to look for, and look at these little faces. I really like the faces. So I'm gonna put these just places on here for inspiration. You know, yours is gonna look completely different from mine. This one right here, I'm going to duplicate. I'm gonna bring it to the edge instead of cropping it. I'm gonna bring it to the edge and flatten it. And I'm gonna bring it to the edge on this side and flatten it. Okay, so another inspiration for my logo. I want to do flowers. I like this one and this curved one. So that's my inspiration for my branding. And so now I need to do like these social media tags. I'm going to go over here to graphics and I am going to do the social media. So I have Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Etsy, Pinterest, TikTok, Twitter, and Snapchat. Okay, so now here's the fun part. So I'm going to show you what we can do to pick our colors. You already have your inspiration, right? So you can use your inspiration. I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this and then duplicate the cactus. And I'm going to group these together. I'm going to bring it right here in the center just so I can see the colors and work with this. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to select our colors from our inspiration. And I already have my colors, so I'm going to go ahead and pull my colors over here. But I'm going to show you how you can do it. You're going to select on the thing you want to change the color and grab your little dropper. And then you're going to come over here and pick the colors that you want to use out of your image, okay? And if you like this pink, in that pink is going to be a ton of different shades that you can pick. So you can use 2 pinks if you want. All right, so here's my color. And you just do that one by one. Now that we have our colors picked, we can go ahead and delete this. Now you can use those colors in this design. I'm going to select the brand kit and hit the dropper and pick that, and the same with everything on this page. Now we're going to change the colors of our social media tabs, and you can use this for your marketing or your website and just kind of more personalize it to your brand. All right, and one final thing we need to do is come over back up here to these colors, and you're not going to want to forget the name of these colors or the code to these colors. So what we're going to do is add a text and put it right under here. So what we're going to do is click this and find the color code. It's right here. Cut it and then go ahead and paste it right here. And now we're going to change that color code to the same color. And you're going to do that for every single one. So select this and find the color code right here. We're going to cut it, bring it down here, paste it, and then come over here to change the color. And do any final tweakings that you need, but there you go. You just made your brand kit. So now you can print out your brand kit and put it in your business notebook and refer to it anytime you need. I hope this video was helpful. That's all I have for you today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and be notified. Bye guys, thanks for watching.